What's up YouTube? It's your girl Saya Lauren and I am back with another video. So today I want to talk to you guys about journaling. If you guys watched me taking down my lemonade braids video, I think I kind of touched on journaling, but this video is going to be a whole video about journaling. Now listen, this video is going to be about how I journal. There's thousands of videos on YouTube that talk about journaling, but everyone journals differently. So the way I do it might not be how another YouTuber does it, or your friend or your mama or your grandma, whatever. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys how I journal and how it literally changed my life. So if you guys are interested, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button for more videos like this, and let's get it. Let's go. So I started, first of all, I was gonna say I started journaling last year, but I'll be lying, because when I was younger I used to keep a little diary, and I'm pretty sure if I were to look around my room I could find it, but I don't know where it's at right now. But I used to keep a diary, and you know, that was like middle school stuff, and then I kind of like stopped with the whole diary journaling blah blah blah. So fast forward to 2019, I ended up buying this journal, and it says, "And so the adventure begins." And one thing I like about this journal is you could like put the what do you call this, you could like circle the date. Do you guys see that? Yeah, you could like circle the date, which is really cool, just so you know. But I've gotten to the point now where I have two journals, so I'm gonna break down to you guys the difference for me in my journals. This journal I purchased from, I think, Walmart for about, I don't know, it was kind of expensive, so let's say $10. And this journal was a gift that my best friend gave me in high school, which is really crazy because I didn't start using it until last year, which is super interesting because I've had it for about like 2 years now, and I finally started using it. But yes, so let me stop rambling and let me tell you guys how I journal. So with this journal, basically what I do is I write down my goals. Okay, so in this journal I write goals down, and I won't show you guys, I don't think too much about it. Like, some people are super neat and they might, like, you know, have everything nice and organized. The way my brain works, I'm more of like a, you know, I'll draw like a brainstorming map, I'll do this, I'll do that. So everyone is different, you have to do what works for you, but that's kind of what I do. So just to reiterate, with this journal I write down my goals. I write down long-term goals, I write down short-term goals, I write down just goals for YouTube, I write down any other goals that I might have, school-based and stuff like that. Okay, so with this journal, it's totally different. Okay, let me open up this one just to show y'all. This journal, right, what I do with this journal is I write down scriptures and I write down quotes in this journal. It's like freehand, but it's more so like, if I'm ever having a bad day, all I gotta do is pick up this journal, because I have a lot of positive, motivational, inspirational quotes in this journal. So say I'm listening to like a motivational video and they say a quote that I like, I'm instantly grabbing this journal and I'm writing it down. Say I'm talking to a friend and she needs advice on whatever, I instantly take out my journal because I know that I'm gonna be able to have something in here that can help. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, that's what I use this journal for. I use it to write down, say I see a scripture that I like, you know, I write it down so I can remember it. And that's the point of this journal. So I don't want this video to be super long. I just kind of wanted to do like a quick video on journaling because it has literally changed my life. Like, y'all, journaling will change your view on life. Like, it's something about writing down your goals and then the universe and God working together to achieve those goals. Like, it's something about writing it down and God and the universe just giving it back to you. You know, if you write things down and you believe that you can achieve them, I promise you. Y'all, let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all the power of the tongue. Now, some of y'all, when I show y'all this, y'all gonna be like, girl, bye. You just got lucky. It was just wishful thinking. But I'm gonna show you guys the goal that I wrote down. Okay, so this is what I'll do. I'll put it up on the screen because I don't want y'all to see my other goals. Like, some things gotta stay between me and God, period. On January 26, 2020, I wrote a goal saying that I would reach 4,000 subscribers by March 31st. Now, if you guys look at the date, I'm looking for my phone. It's right here. If you guys look at the date, it is March 22nd, and I am surpassed 4,000 subscribers on YouTube. So it just goes to show that there's something about writing things down, believing that it can happen, and it happening. My point is, it doesn't matter how big your goals are, how small they are, write them down, y'all. Get a journal and write them down. Yeah, that was just one example of a goal that I wrote down and it ended up happening. That's pretty much the end of this video. Be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos like this. And if you have any more questions about journaling, let me know. All right, bye guys.
I'm the MVP, most valuable. I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, that's who I be. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, that's who I be.